Hey guys, it's me, Christinamariebeauty. Look what I did. I permed my hair. What do you guys think? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Look how spirally it is. Well, recently I posted this picture on Facebook. And everyone was like, wow, you permed your hair. Well, psych, the joke is on you. No, I did not perm my hair. I just wanted you guys to know that if you have wavy hair, I don't have very wavy hair, I just have wavy hair. If you have wavy hair, you can actually make your hair look like it is totally permed and have that huge spiral curl, as you guys can see throughout my hair. How? Easy. It's so easy. With some basic products at home, I'm going to show you guys how to get this nice, beautiful spiral curl. It is just gorgeous. Eric thought that I had actually permed my hair as well when he's been trying to get me to perm my hair for years. And I just won't do it because I know it damages your hair. So I'm going to show you guys really quick how to get this type of curl. And I'm so happy that I tricked all of you guys on Facebook thinking that I actually permed my hair. That tells me that you guys actually thought it was a perm or that it actually looks like a perm when it's totally not. So let's go ahead and just jump straight to that video and show you guys how to achieve this curly hair if you have wavy hair. What you're gonna need is a brush with bristles that are not so close together, a diffuser. This is the most awesome diffuser in the world. I don't think they make this anymore. It's like 25 years old. If I can find it, I'll post a link down below. The Garnier, this is a mousse, a volumizing mousse. Yes, I'm missing the top. I'll show you guys how I'm gonna get it out. And then the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Drops. So I've already showered. I'm gonna take my hair down from this towel. When I showered, I washed my hair. I did not put conditioner. Do not put conditioner in your hair because we don't want it to be so heavy that the curls don't come out. So you guys can see, my hair is not curly, it's wavy. This is a loose wave. We're gonna make it very curly. So we're gonna get the Fructis, the Sleek and Shine drops. I pumped about 5 pumps, which is quite a bit because it's dripping everywhere. Put it in your hands. We're going to apply it to the ends of the hair first, and then we're gonna move the product up. This is going to be our conditioner, so we can comb through the hair. Plus, this is going to take away any type of frizz and give your hair that easy flexibility to work with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, another 5 drops. Now, I have very thick hair, so if you have very thin hair, you might want to you might want to use less product. I'm using about 10 to 15 drops on my hair just to get all the knots out. And you can see, look, my hair was knotty and I'm just using my fingers running it through. You guys can see that it's flexible. It doesn't have knots. They come right out. Take a few more drops. And I'm gonna gently put it right here around the face. And then barely touch. You see, I'm not really pushing all that product in there. Barely, because I don't want too much product, but I also don't want the hair around my face to be frizzy. Now I'm gonna comb the product through. A trick of keeping your hair very healthy, honestly, is to comb your scalp. You want that hair, you want the blood flow nice and healthy at your scalp so that your hair always comes back. So you kind of brush along the scalp. Okay, we don't want it to go straight, so we're gonna pull it this way. Or scrunch it up, keep it scrunchy because we don't want it to dry like that. Okay, my mousse, which has no top. So all I do is this. Just push down on the thing. Oh, shake it up first. I'm gonna push down on the top. Oops, a daisy. And we're going to apply this. I do not want this to dry. Guys, we are going to use a tremendous amount of mousse for this hairstyle. Change the lighting there so you actually can see the hair more. I'm gonna flip my head. We want it back here too. We want it actually everywhere on the hair. And it's good to, I know I'm really bright, but you can see the hair better like this. And I want it here at the roots as well. Now I believe I soaked the whole thing. You can squish it together like this. Squish it together, pull it up and scrunch it. Especially those pieces around your hair, around your head. You don't want any really thick pieces, so I'm going to kind of just separate it, and then some of those pieces that I can see, and then scrunch it. Okay, now see, you can see how soaking wet it still is. It's still just wavy. Look at that. It's like, you see how this piece is drying? We don't want it to dry. We don't want that to dry. Because if I allow those pieces to dry just like this, look at that. It's just wavy. It's not going to work. So I'm going to put some more mousse on them. And then scrunch them. Make them wet, make them wet. If it's drying, you can spritz it with a little bit of water. I'm going to go in like this. I'm going to go in, and then I'm going to twist it every single time. In and twist it with my head this way or upside down. Especially these pieces around your face that you want to be very curly. In and twist it. So I'm grabbing it like this and I'm twisting it up. Now guys, we do not want to get the hair 100% dry at all. We're going to get it to be 92% dry. On the back here, you're gonna flip it over, and you're also gonna pull it up right here because we want this curl to come this way so we get more volume. And look at that curl. Remember, what was once wavy is now extremely curly. And it's all separated. You guys see this? It will have that feel of a little bit like hard. You never want to comb that out. You want to leave that just like that. But it doesn't look like it's hard. It's because we had those sleek and shine drops in there. But look at that. I haven't flipped it over. And look how curly my hair became. Isn't that amazing? Yes, my face is really bright because I really wanted you guys to focus on the curls. Absolutely gorgeous, isn't it? There, I adjusted the lighting back to what it's supposed to be, and you can still appreciate those curls. Now you guys saw what my hair originally looks like. It is just wavy, and now we have big, ginormous curls everywhere. Now, if you want your hair to have that extreme shine, I do spray on this product right here. Is the Proclaim. This says it's a spray-on glosser. I got this at Sally's Beauty Supply. It was just a few dollars, and it's a very fine mist. If you guys can, you see, it's very fine mist. And you just spray it on top, and it automatically gives like that really high gloss shine, as you guys can see right there. Look at how these curls are just like glistening. So you can just spray this through without messing up the curl, and it doesn't really make the hair wet. It just makes it shiny. Look at that. I know you guys can see how much shinier it got. So that is how you get really super curly hair if you have wavy hair like mine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it helped you guys out that want that curly spiral looking perm. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit the little subscribe button and the tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.